There's so many things I love about being a part of Christian Brothers Automotive and getting to be a franchise owner for this brand. Love your neighbor as yourself. It's just, we're not about selling repairs. We're about taking care of you and your family. We're about protecting your investment, protecting your children. We're about peace of mind, partnering with you so that you know when you drop your car off that you're going to be treated fairly and honestly. You know that we're going to deliver the most accurate results we can on your car.
I'm so glad to find this company that I worked for 6 years. I came to work every day happy. That's just a lot for me.
It's just something about our customers that when they come in, we have a great relationship with them. It's just a peace of mind. It's the relationship that we build. We know their children. We know their children's name. We know them, their husband, wife. We know their family. We meet grandma, grandpa. We really begin to become a part of their family here at Christian Brothers.
I've been coming to Christian Brothers for over 3 years. I really enjoy coming here because of the warmth that you feel when you walk in the door. I have gone to my dealership and I see a huge difference, especially in pricing. I feel it's very fair here and I don't feel taken advantage of.
I've known the Jordans for a very long time, and their commitment to family, friends, and the people around them has always been a very inspiring trait to me. I've had the pleasure of being a part of a lot of the things that he's done with people along the way, and seeing his outreach to single moms, which, you know, in my family, my sister has gotten a lot of help from him over the years on her car. I've seen him work with other people in the community. My daughter plays volleyball for Grand Oaks, and they were quick to jump in and sponsor some of their events and participate in their brand new booster club.
I love to work for Alicia and Blair. This company helped me a lot in a lot of different areas. I'm so proud to work for them.
I feel they're being honest with me, and that's a huge deal. I don't know about anybody else, but I don't like to feel that way, especially being a woman. And I just really like the staff. The staff just makes you feel so welcome. And I get to know their names. I know their names by now because I come and it's very personal.
We just want to take care of you. We want you to have peace of mind. Once again, it's about that relationship with you, and I can't have a relationship with you if I'm always reading the fine print to you. That doesn't matter to us. What matters is that we're taking care of you.
They've just been a really big part of our life, and I know a very big part of the community in this area. In this area, give them a chance. Come in. Let them take a look at your vehicles. Let them be a part of your family, because they are going to do what they can, not only to fix your car, but help support the youth that's in this area, and get you back on the road and do it as cost effectively and as quickly as possible. They're a great outfit, and I hope that you'll come in and let them do what they can for you.
So at Christian Brothers Automotive, the nice difference is you. It's you, our customers. It's you, our employees. It's you, our community. It's you, our city. It's you, our state. We love to serve people. So with the difference here at Christian Brothers being you, thank you for the opportunity to serve you and your family and the community.